Welcome to today's lesson. Learn English for fun here at Panda J UK. Let's go.
Today, we are going to learn how to use adjectives of appearance in spoken sentences and write sentences with adjectives of appearance. Let's go. Repeat after me. Tall, tall. Short, short. We say, I am tall, I am tall. I am short, I am short. Slim, slim. Fat, fat. We say, I am slim, I am slim. I am fat, I am fat. Strong, strong. Weak, weak. We say, I am strong, I am strong. I am weak, I am weak. Young, young. Middle-aged, middle-aged. Old, old. We say, I am young, I am young. I am middle-aged, I am middle-aged. I am old, I am old. Let's learn how to use adjectives with the verb to have and write sentences. Let's go. Repeat after me. Dark hair, dark hair. Red hair, red hair. Blonde hair, blonde hair. We say, I have dark hair, I have dark hair. I have blonde hair, I have blonde hair. I have red hair, I have red hair. Straight hair, straight hair. Wavy hair, wavy hair. Curly hair, curly hair. We say, I have straight hair, I have straight hair. I have wavy hair, I have wavy hair. I have curly hair, I have curly hair. Blue eyes, blue eyes. Green eyes, green eyes. Brown eyes, brown eyes. We say, I have blue eyes, I have blue eyes. I have green eyes, I have green eyes. I have brown eyes, I have brown eyes. Let's practice now. What do you look like? What do you look like? I am, I am. I have, I have. What do I look like? What do I look like? You are, you are. You have, you have. What does he look like? What does he look like? He is, he is. He has, he has. What does she look like? What does she look like? She is, she is. She has, she has. Well done, my dear. Keep practicing. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and write in the comments any lessons request. Also, before you go, if you want to practice more, you're going to love the next class. Click the next video above and let's have some fun.